The Lost Egg of the Enchanted Dino Valley. Once upon a time in Dino Valley, there was a lost egg. It was a special egg because it belonged to a dinosaur. One sunny day, a kind dinosaur named Dino found the lost egg. Dino knew it needed to go back to its nest, so she went on a journey to find it. Dino walked through tall trees and across bubbling streams. She followed the footprints of the little dinosaur. After a long walk, she saw a cozy nest high on a hill. Dino carefully placed the lost egg back in its nest. Soon, the egg's family came back, and they were very happy. They thanked Dino for her kindness. Dino felt warm inside because she helped the lost egg find its way home. She learned that helping others is a good and happy thing to do. And so, in Dino Valley, everyone learned that being kind and helping others makes the world a better and happier place. The end.